Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two methods to fix this problem. So the first one is to click on the start icon and search for run, or you can just simply press the start button on your keyboard and the letter R. Okay, so now this tab should pop up and just go ahead and type services.msc. Click on OK. So let's just wait. And then now you want to scroll down until you see the WLAN auto config right here. So let me just go ahead and find it. So this one. Okay, so you need to make sure that this option is in automatic. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says automatic. So if your WLAN auto config is not automatic, what you need to do is to right click on it, click on properties, and here on startup type, just go ahead and choose automatic, click on apply and OK. Okay, so after that, just go ahead and check again if the problem has been fixed. And if it's still not, what you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So click on the start icon, search for device manager. Now you want to search for network adapters right here. So if you see any problematic wireless adapter, just go ahead and right click on it and uninstall. And once you've uninstalled it, what you need to do is to click on this scan for hardware changes, the monitor icon right here to automatically install back the wireless adapter you uninstalled earlier. Okay, so now once you've done that, just go ahead and check again, and that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.